an unforgettable learning journey of 400 plus engineering students from MIT WP University, Pune, who came for National Academic Immersion Program. Now let's hear their testimonial and experience firsthand.
Something that was the most exciting was they struck the right balance between theory and the practical and hands-on experience here. Right after our theory classes, we jumped straight into execution. So this pedagogical approach really helped reinforce the learning, and the trainers are so dedicated to the work they are doing. They gave personalized feedback. A lot of trainers were so patient because we were dealing with all of the equipment for the very first time. They helped us through hints and did not give direct answers. That was the most interesting part. Because it gave us a sense of achievement at the end, because we were able to solve all the questions on our own.
It was a very mind-blowing experience for me. The theory we learned at our university, we got to experience it in practical over here. All the industrial robots and all the equipments, even PLCs and electronics. Like, we learned about the basics of electronics and we got to apply it over here in practice, all the gates and everything. I think all the subcategories of Industry 4.0 and industrial automation were discussed over here. The quizzes taken here were the best part, in my opinion. It really encouraged us to learn more and just win the quiz. The hands-on experience given to us was perfect, and it increased our confidence in handling all the machines. Every single student got the opportunity to work on every single machine, which states that the infrastructure developed here is very perfect.
The one thing that I remember is operation of PLC. That is, these automotive systems that are behind me are operated by PLC. It gave me a real insight into how the automotive or automation works in an industry. And this practical experience gave me a lot of understanding.
We came here for our National Immersion Program at iACE. This program was really good. It was a well-organized program in which we learned a lot of things. The main thing was that the practical education-based curriculum, in which the robotics and automation, PLC SCADA, pneumatics, then electro-pneumatics was taught us in an easy way and in an understandable format. The Fanuc robots, then we had the Panasonic robots, the autonomous sorting system. Each of the components explanation and its working was explained by the faculty in a very good and in a proper way. So the concepts which we learned in MIT, they were elaborated here very well and in a very understandable format.
What I learned here is about theory stuff, and I'm applying all the theory stuff in the practical place. And here the teachers are very supportive. I'm able to point out my mistakes, and they are helping me and guiding me how to improve my mistakes and how I can do much better in future.
My experience at iACE was amazing. The course was well structured. Every day started with the theory classes, followed by practical sessions in the afternoon. Every day ended with a quiz section, which was amazing and very helpful. And it was fun too, as it was on a platform wherein we have to answer multiple questions in fast, and the person who gave fast answer would win. Followed by every day was exciting as we learned new concepts, and every concept was taught thoroughly through the iACE faculties. Every concept which we learned had a practical application in the afternoon session. We worked hands-on on the vehicles present over here. The iACE have a beautiful campus over here with every concept and every equipment equipped. The overall experience of my iACE was amazing. I learned a lot, and I myself personally and professionally both grown. I suggest everyone to please sign up for iACE courses, as they are helpful professionally as well as personally.
Honestly, I had the best learning experience at iACE. On day one, we were given this orientation where we were promised that we will be given hands-on experience along with academic learning. And yes, this promise was delivered. Our trainers, Priyank sir and Bhargav sir, were exceptional. Every time we had to learn a new system, they didn't only talk about it, they explained it thoroughly, they showed us all the systems, and they encouraged us to ask questions. At the end of every session, we were given a quiz, which was designed like a game. So every one of us was so excited, and it was really fun.
What we say at iACE?